In this video, I'm going to describe using a tape placement guide that I designed to assist with placing the tape correctly. This is a board that we received from your factories. You can see the tape is placed in roughly the correct location, but it's too far this way, so it's actually going to interfere with the chassis and with the ability to put a rivet through that hole. What you want is for this edge of the tape to be flush with these pads, and then for the strip of tape to be parallel with these two black lines. To demonstrate that, or to make this easier, I created this jig. So you can see that this is 3 brass posts that will guide the board down onto this blue placement block. So a piece of double stick tape goes into this little cavity. You press the board down on top, picks up the double stick tape, and it'll place it correctly 100% of the time. So I'm going to demonstrate using this. First, I'm going to take a piece of double stick tape. When I take the tape off the strip, I usually break it like that and then peel it off. I find that sometimes if you just start peeling it, the cuts don't all go all the way through, and you'll stretch out the tape as you peel it off. If the tape is stretched, it's still usable, but then it won't go into my placement jig, which needs the tape to be nice and square. So I'm going to peel this away, making sure to keep the protective backing on this side, because I don't want to make it stick to my placement jig. So I'm just going to put that in there, and notice that it's sitting down in that cavity I pointed out earlier. I have here a board. It does not have tape installed here, but it does have a gearbox already on there. This jig is designed to accommodate boards with or without the gearbox, but this step probably makes more sense to perform after you've installed the gearbox. So I'm going to line up the 3 holes with the black circles around them, the rivet holes, 1, 2, 3, with these posts, 1, 2, 3. You can only put this on there one way. If you tried to do it the other way, your transmission would run into the placement block. So line up my holes. So there, and I push it down. It doesn't take any real pressure. There are mechanical stops there to keep it from going too far. I press just a little bit, make sure I picked it up, and then I lift it,